Good day, everyone. Welcome to Plaza Finance Testnet tutorial, where I'll be teaching you guys on everything you need to know about Plaza Finance Testnet, how to navigate through the testnet, how to claim tokens, and how to claim your badges. So, first of all, the first thing you have to do is connect your wallet. You can use any Web3 wallet. I use MetaMask or OKX for my connection. So after connecting your wallet, the next thing you have to do is to claim the testnet tokens. So if you should scroll down, you will see a point where they wrote get testnet tokens. So you just have to click that, and your request to be sent to the blockchain where you will now receive testnet tokens. So as you can see here below here, my request is being processed. So just give it few seconds. um Good. You have received some testnet WST ETH. So this is the base packet token we're going to be using for this testnet. So after this, next thing you should do is to explore Plaza Finance. Yeah. So meanwhile, before you explore Plaza Finance, there are some bonuses you can get to increase your point multiplier. This is where your point section is. This is your position. Currently now I have 320 points, and I'm in the position of 7,905, fifth position. That is total position of all users on the Plaza Finance testnet. So after this, what you should do is what I was talking about, the bonus. You can go to your Plaza Fin. You can join the Plaza Finance community, where you join their Discord group, Telegram chat, follow them on Twitter, and earn more points. This is a point multiplier. So you just click this, and you'll be directed to Guide Network. I won't be showing the tutorial on Guide Network because I want to make this video as short as possible. But majorly, when you click this link, learn more, you'll be directed to Guide Network. And when you go to Guide Network, test network site, you just have to complete few tasks, which is you joining the Discord group, joining Telegram group, and following Plaza Finance on Twitter. That's it for now. Then the next thing you have to do is referral. Referral is a very big bonus. It's very good because it increases your multiplier too. So, with that being said, we go to the main thing of this testnet, that is getting points. So, after we've gotten our testnet tokens, next thing we have to do is to explore Plaza Finance. Majorly, I don't click Explore Plaza Finance because it takes time. But majorly, when you click Explore Plaza Finance, you'll be redirected to the Plaza Finance interface where you will get different terminologies. We have bond ETH and lev ETH, which are the testnet tokens for Plaza Finance. And for you to get these testnet tokens, that is where the Plaza Finance test tokens you obtain, which is WST ETH, comes in to play, because you're now going to be converting this WST ETH into bond ETH and lev ETH. So we're on the Plaza Finance interface. This is where you will see the amount of tokens you have bought. This is the bond ETH and this is the lev ETH. So the bond ETH majorly tells you, it just like when you're staking coins. So the more you stake, the more you earn. So when you stake, the amount of coins you stake is actually equivalent to the amount of airdrop tokens you'll be getting. So for example, I've gotten about some percentage of bond ETH, and I've gotten some percentage of lev ETH. Approximately the amount of bond ETH I have, one bond ETH is $94 and one lev ETH is $1,126. So over here you will see the token supply. So let's go to how to get points, how you can earn points on this testnet. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to portfolio. This is where you see your testnet tokens you have accumulated so far. Then you go down, you scroll down, you will see bond ETH and lev ETH. So what you have to do on this section is just buy and sell bond ETH, buy and sell lev ETH. So basically, this is just helping the testnet, the website in general, helping Plaza Finance to know how individuals or users make use of their tokens. So the more you get your WST tokens or WST ETH, which is the Falket token, the more accumulation you get from bond ETH and lev ETH. So to get points, this is what you do. You buy bond ETH, you sell bond ETH. You buy lev ETH, you sell lev ETH. These transactions, each of them gives you a certain amount of points, and the amount of points you get is dependent on the amount of bonuses you accumulate. When I mean bonuses, I mean multiplier. So if you want to earn more multiplier, on each of your transactions. You have to complete the guide test, the guide connection, as I said previously. And also another way to increase your multiplier is to invite friends. So quickly, I'll just be running through on how you get points. So currently now you can see that my points here is 3,320 Plaza points. So I'll click buy bond it. So now these are the amount of WST ETH tokens I was given. I was given 1.03662 WST ETH. So I'll just click max, and the equivalent to bond it will be displayed on my screen. As you can see, it's 36.9. So what you just do is you buy. Remember, my points is 3,320 Plaza points. So just watch closely. So I will accept the transaction on my MetaMask now. Accept, approving WST it, preparing the transaction. You have created bond it. So my transaction has been accepted. So it remains for the testnet to accept it. That is why the background is rolling. Yes, it has been the transaction has been successful. So as you can see now, my points have increased from 320 points, and I have 325 points, 325.2 Plaza points. So basically, you can repeat this process, but you won't get more points. It's just the point system gives you for each transaction you do, not frequent transaction, just one time transaction each day. For each one time transaction you do, for you are given the certain amount of points you are allocated to based on your multiplier settings. So I go back to my portfolio. What I did now was I bought bond it. So I'm going to be doing for only bond it. Then the same process is what you're going to be doing for left it, just to for the sake of saving the length of the video. So I will sell my bond it. So I won't be selling much bond it because, as I said before, the amount of tokens you have is what determines the amount of airdrop you're going to get. So I'll just click 0.1 bond it. And remember now my points are 3,320, sorry, 325.2 Plaza points. So I click withdraw, preparing the transaction. Redeeming. Okay, your redeemed WST it. So my transaction has been confirmed, and you can see here my points have increased. So I have 330.4 Plaza points now. So these are just the major things. There are actually only four things you can do on the transactions section, because this is just interacting with the testnet. So this is the transaction, this is the transaction section. These are the things you can do: buy and sell bond it, buy and sell lev it. So for you to get your badges based on the amount of points you accumulate, what you just need to do is go back to the my Plaza section, then go to points and reward. So on this points and reward section, you can see your points, you can see your level, and you can see your points multiplier. So basically, when you scroll down, this is the particular place you can claim your badges. So for 50 points, when you have more than 50 points or exactly 50 points, the first basic NFT Plaza collectible reward will be unlocked and you claim the badge. Then when you get 100 points, the second reward will be open, which is a Discord row points dabbler, which is a significant note to a new community members. So you claim that point, then you claim as much as your points are. That's the more prizes you claim. Basically, the more badges you claim. So when I accumulate up to more than 500 or exactly 500 points, I get the NFT 500, and I will claim it. The claiming doesn't require any digital currency. You don't need any cryptocurrency. Everything that works here is working on the testnet Falcet ETH, WST ETH token. So you don't need to invest any money, you don't need to put any cash. All you're doing here is free. It's just a interactive testnet you have to be doing 247 every day, and it doesn't you don't get to repeat point system. When I mean repeat point system, if you have the feeling that the amount of time, if you do 10 transaction, you get 5.2 times 10 points. That's not how it works. So based on each different interaction and each different transaction you do is the amount of transaction the amount of points you get. So this is all for now. If you would like to get more tutorial videos like this, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and like and comment what you think should I should have added into the video, or what you think I missed. And if you like it, give a comment too. And also please do subscribe to the channel to get more info about new testnet activities that come up, so you can get info on time. You can also click the notification bell icon and the subscribe bell icon to get more info directly when I post new videos. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.